This airport has 4 runways.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, at least at some point it was equipped to handle a lot of traffic.
Yeah, there's something else which they occasionally, and I don't know if they have it at this airport or not. Some of the airports in South Texas actually have a cable system installed on them like they do on the carriers, so they can train the pilots to capture wires to do carrier landings. So they actually have the wires that are strung across the runway where they have to land at a very, very specific location, because it would be dangerous to try and start with no experience at all to land on an aircraft carrier. They kill too many people. I would doubt that they have that big a tower here at this little Navy base. I wouldn't think so. I think they've kind of done overkill on the tower. I think we're pretty much about time schedule wise. I think we're about where we're supposed to be. We probably want to take a 10-minute break here, get a chance to walk around, do what you need to do.
All right.
All right, yeah, I'm coming in for landing. I'm with the 152 Cessna. It's a little slower, so.
Oh, are you able to keep up? Yeah, you may be. I don't know if you'll be able to. Well, normally that's a little slower. It normally only runs about 105.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming in for a landing right now.
Well, a week from today, I should be able to see everybody again. Y'all come to my base.
That has been one of the questions which I've been posing around to people today, and I haven't had anybody confirm if they know. You think it'll be, what, next Tuesday, a week from today?
Yeah, that's what it's slated for anyway. With all the stuff structured around that. So we're going to have a developer thing Thursday talking about the new update. It's strictly going to be about the subject. We send update 10 on it. It's on Thursday, and then Tuesday it's supposed to come out along with the local legend. They're supposed to announce that Thursday as well.
Are they going to be announcing the stuff for November? Is that what you're thinking? Or are we going to have are we going to have new airplanes with sim update tune?
Yeah, they've got a local legend coming out with sim update. World update. 10 or 11 next month.
Tell you what I'm gonna do for next week, so you guys, since y'all are in here and know about it, I'm going to reschedule our flight for what would be next Tuesday. I'm gonna move it to Wednesday. And because there's no use in me scheduling it, if I try and schedule it for next Tuesday, right about the time we start to fly is about what time they drop the update, and it would kill our flight if we want to try it. So I could either move it back to Monday, or I can move it to Wednesday. And I don't know if any of you guys have a preference. Because we don't want it on Tuesday if the update comes down for sure.
Yeah, like I said, that's what their plan date is. And, it's pretty good about sticking with those, even if it's not right. They'll send it out whatever
Yeah.
they come in.
I think I'll pick Wednesday. I think that would be really good for that way when we get together on a Wednesday flight, we'll be experiencing whatever new things they've made with the airplane and sim. I think we're going to be pretty much in a 172 for a while is what we're going to be on, or it doesn't necessarily need to be a 172. You've got the PA-28 or something that runs in that 110, 120 nautical knot speed. Anything that'll run in that speed you could technically use. In fact, for that matter, you could even fly it with a Cub if you wanted to do that. I'm going to jump away from the keyboard for a second and take a breather. I'll be back.